Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shireen again. In the recent time, having an ideal body is always on someone's mind. We here at Glojas have non-invasive treatments for you to get the ideal body you're always looking for. The devices that we have here at Glojas range from ultrasound, radio frequency, selective radio frequency and shockwave therapy. The science behind it is we break down your fat cells, liquefy it and flush it through your lymphatics. We also have devices to tighten your skin later on. This treatment is safe, non-invasive with no downtime. It's very comfortable. This treatment is done at intervals of 1 week for at least 4 sessions. Do visit us at Glojas to achieve the ideal body that you're always looking for. Always remember, Glojas brings out the best in you.